Okay, so we're here with Doug's mechanic in garage again, and we're replacing today the compressor, or the air compressor clutch, which is this thing here, and it's an absolute nightmare in this car to get out. So as you can see, we've blocked the car up. Yep, I can see you people saying they're not axle stands, but you know, I did it on my truck and it works very well on there. We've got a bit of safety, we've got the handbrake on, of course, and it's in park, and we've got a couple of blocks at the back wheels, so it's not going to roll over. We actually let the tyre out a bit on the back, as you can see, to lower it, to stop it rolling over. And the job's a pig, because we have to first take out the wheel arch cover here. Then we've got to take off the whole front bumper. We've already taken off the under valance, as you can see, with the spotlights in it, and that's a bloody game laugh. Now we've got to take off the front grille and this bumper. So, you know, I know a lot of videos will show you how they're unscrewing the stuff and all that sort of stuff, but it's really pretty self-explanatory. You have a bolt here and a bolt there, with lots of little bolts across the top which you've got to undo. Now this thing here is a bugger, because you've got 3 plastic plugs. You've got one there, and then you've got 2 plastic plugs there. And unfortunately the plastic plugs, you know, you're not going to save them. That's how mine came out, look, totally smashed up. So make sure you've ordered a box of these assortment size plastic plugs, otherwise you're not going to get it back. And then there was some screws, which were just like these screws, they're little bolt things, as you can see. And there was 1, 2, 3 of those. You don't have to take the whole thing off, because it's got a sort of like a hinge here, so you can just unflick it. And then once you're under here, there was 1 bolt which was right in the corner here, which was a bit of a pig to get off. And then the rest were just plastic tabs. So you just pull it along gently so you don't tear the little tabs out. Someone had done the tearing here before, because there was actually a screw they'd actually put in here. You can see here, look, there's a plastic tag that's in there, which we've got to get out and replace. Okay, so that's that job done. Now we're going to take off the front bumper, so I'll be back in a minute to show you how to take off the front bumper.